Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides single sign-on solution for Confluence, and as we know, that is the best OAuth and OpenID SSO solution available in the market. So, in this video we are going to set up Confluence single sign-on with miniOrange using OAuth protocol. Let's get started with the setup. Go to the Confluence dashboard, and click on the setting icon on the top right corner, and select Manage Apps option. Then click on Find New Apps. You can search here for add-in in Atlassian Marketplace. Go to the Search tab and search OAuth SSO and press Enter. To download the plugin, click on Free Trial. Click on Accept and Install to agree with miniOrange policies and terms of use. After successful installation, use the license key to activate the plugin. And after activation of the license key, click on miniOrange OAuth OIDC SSO. Click on Add New Provider, and select miniOrange as IDP. Now you are on Configuration tab. We will be covering miniOrange setup here. You can also go through the setup on this guide. Here you will get step-by-step instructions. So, firstly we are configuring miniOrange as OAuth Provider. Go to the miniOrange login page and log in with your credentials. Now go to Apps, then click on Add Application. Select OAuth OIDC, and search Confluence. Now enter the client name. For redirect URL, go to the plugin, copy callback URL and paste it. Then click on Save button. And here we will see app is configured successfully. Now select your app, and click on Edit. You can see client ID here. Click here to find the client's secret. Let's set up Confluence as OAuth client. Go to Configure OAuth tab. Now enter custom app name. For client ID, go to Application, copy the client ID, and paste it in the field. Similarly, copy the client's secret and paste it. Enter the scope, email to fetch the email address of the user, and profile to access the user's profile data. Copy your miniOrange account domain, and paste it in the domain name. Logout endpoint is optional. Click on Save. Now you can see OAuth setting configured message. Then click on Test Configuration. And you can see test configuration here, along with the first name, last name, and email ID. After successful test connection, you will get to see SSO button on the Confluence login page. Click on Use OAuth Login button. And you will be redirected to the miniOrange login page for OAuth authentication. Now enter your miniOrange credentials. You will be successfully logged into your Confluence dashboard using miniOrange credentials. Go to the user profile to check the user data. And you can see the user's email ID here. miniOrange provides best single sign-on solution. Thanks for watching.